Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and skill oriented training platform. So before going with this industry related critical skill learning session, it's a kind request, just press the like button so this industry oriented content will be reach out to more audience and people will learn about the IT industry skills which are directly related and demanded by the IT industry. So when we are dealing with the extraction operations, you have to remember these three major command line parameters. The first one is pkcs12, the second one is -in, and the last one is -out. So these are the core parameters. So let's move and see how we can perform these operations inside the openssl. Now we have the PFX file inside the Windows operating system where we already installed the openssl. So we just provide the command line parameters with the specific path where the PFX file is existed. So when we provide the password, so it will extract the private key against this operation. So here we go with these commands. Now move with the next step where we are trying to extract the original certificate file from this PFX file. So here we go with the simple steps. So at last, we are going to extract the CA chain certificates which we require for any kind of deployment inside the Apache Nginx, or even if you are going with the Windows IIS. So we will provide the simple steps in this process and we will extract our CA chain certificates. So let's move now. So with simple three commands, we perform these three major operations. If you have any questions, any queries, you can write us inside the comment section. And if you find our content is really valuable for you and you learn number of skills regarding the SSL certificate, so you have to press the like button as well. Thank you very much.